Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my Hobonichi weeks for 2023, ready to decorate the first week of this planner. I'm really excited to be in this new Hobonichi weeks. Yes, I could have stayed in my 2022 until the end of December, but if I have the opportunity to use this planner, then why not? So let's go to this week's spread, which is November 28th through to December 4th. I'm gonna put this down here. It does lay flat, but like for the first little while, it doesn't seem to. All right, and this week I'm using Christmassy. I'm gonna be using a combination of According to Allie's Merry Kitschmas and her Winter Blooms, which are still available in her shop. I have an affiliate link in the description below, and you can use code Karina10 for 10% off. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is actually write the days of the week with my Peloton M605, and it currently has Ferris Wheel Press Spruce County Post. I like adding this touch of green on the side. You don't need stickers, you just need a pen with a really cool colored ink. And then I'm going to, gosh, this is difficult. I normally, oh, there we go. Try to find the line that I need to draw down, and already that's not straight, but whatever. So now that that is put down, I'm going to put this Christmas tree down. Oh, how cute. But I don't want to cover, oh, I don't want to cover the quotes now. So let's put that one there. And we'll put, I'm just realizing, am I going to have enough to decorate the, what's it called? My weeks, or my cousin. We will see. We will see. I'm going to put Merry Christmas down here at the bottom, even though it's not Christmas yet, and put this cute present here. And then I'm going to put one more thing probably up at the top with a, which one is the best one to use? I think I will use this. Just hanging up from the top there. I feel like, hang that up. And then I want to use maybe some of this washi from Simply Gilded. And I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if I like the way that that looks. So maybe just another little floral, but they're also pretty. Like, how do you decide which one to use? So we use this one. And just like so. I don't want to rip it. Okay, very quick spread. I'm gonna go ahead and write in my meetings. Wow, that was really quick. There's my overall spread. Now I feel like I do need to add a little something, even if it's, oh gosh, these two are, oh, that washi would that match? Oh my gosh, I cannot speak. This washi would match so well. What the heck was I trying to say? Or this one, or is that too light? Actually, no, that one works. This is the washi from the washi tape shop, which I always struggle with. But even just a little bit up at the top. I know it covers some flowers, but oh, I like that. Just even a little bit, and maybe even add a little bit of this. Does that match? No, it doesn't. I'm gonna put that one away. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna find like bits of washi in places rather than actually just putting it straight in the garbage. All right, so that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching this quick plan with me. This is why I like planning in my Hobonichi weeks, because it is really quick, because it's just fun. I don't have any specific layout for this. It's just put the stickers down and make sure that there's enough room for me to write notes here and to do my meetings and my to-do lists. Once again, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you are interested in purchasing any stickers from According to Allie, you can use my affiliate link down in the description. All right, thank you guys so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.